Reishi Man Sakai here. All right, so I've come to my full year, and I was talking about this earlier in my videos, which is where everything should be, or where I was expecting everything to be. I'm not disappointed, honestly. I'm really satisfied with the results that I have, seen with my hair growth. With just my hairline, I'm seeing a lot of growth not only on this side, but also on this side. And I wish like I said earlier, I was documenting just my hair growth on both sides. But since I didn't cut my hair, which is the whole reason why I'm doing it like this, I'm not cutting my hair. I haven't started cutting my hair since I started my hair growth journey, so that I could show my viewers just my new growth, as well as the difference between that and the hair that I already have. And I'm pretty certain that I know where the new growth stands as far as the growth. So when you look at my hairline from my left side, you can see a lot of new growth just going all the way back here. My hair, I didn't have no hair this time last year in this area. All this here is nothing but new growth. I'm very proud of this side. Like I said, I wish I would have just had more documentation, or just more proof that I had no hair there. I'm pretty sure I do if I retrace back on the pictures that I have going back at this time last year. I'm sure I could find a couple of pictures that show both sides of my hairline. So if I do find something that's pretty good, then I'll definitely add that as proof. But then you get on my problem side. My problem side, my right side, and that's where the threat of going completely bald. If it was going to start from somewhere, it was going to start on this side, because it was looking pretty bad this time last year. And you can see how much difference, if you can tell from where the new growth is, because the new growth started from back here in this area, and it was actually starting to go over this part of my head, the baldness. But now it's filling back in. Very proud of it. Very, very happy. And then all this side here is starting to show results as well. So it's looking pretty good. And then there's some new growth here in this bald area that you can hardly see with the camera. The camera's just not catching it for some reason because the hairs are too thin. But there's a lot of activity going on right here. And I look forward to showing the results of this. If the light can catch it, you can actually see the little hairs. But I'll just stick with the pictures right now to not make myself to not make a fool of myself. So this is where I'm at, a full year. So for the future, I also want to address for the future what I'm going to be doing this next year is I'm going to switch things up. And I actually bought a derma roller, or a new derma roller, instead of using the old one, which is a 0.25, which I'm going to do a separate video on. I'm actually going to use a 0.50 now. Or actually just a 0.5. I had a 0.25 for half of last year. So I have results on that. But so this is my 0.25. Okay. All right, upside down. And I just came in today, and I'm happy about it because it was the hardest thing in the world to actually get. But I finally got it through Amazon. Go figure. But 0.5. Needles are going to be a little bit bigger on this one. So my next video, I'm going to be going over the difference of just using the 0.25 to me using the 0.5. And I'll just describe any differences from that. And then I'm also gonna post a month. I'm gonna do a month using this 0.5. I'm gonna see if it makes a difference. Look forward to that, because derma rollers are important. They help absorb more effectively. So that's how important a derma roller really is, and that's the reason why I'm taking it more than I already have by purchasing the recommended size, which is the 0.5. I'm just gonna test it out, and I'm gonna see, is it really making that big of a difference? So with that said, stay tuned for the clips of my whole year's journey. I'm gonna be showing some clips month by month just to show y'all the journey from this time last year to now. It's pretty amazing. So with that said, Reishi Man out. Stay tuned. Oh, and also like and subscribe.